Make sure it's clean.
It's clean.
Let me see. Pour out the water. Let me check. Oh, nice. Okay. You get to go all the soap off?
Yeah.
Check. Okay, easy because it's glass and it's heavy.
Did you want to all the work?
Put water in there, no soap. Make sure you get all the soap off.
You got some off?
Yeah. You like doing dishes? Huh?
Yes, the pen one. I finished.
Okay, let me see. Very good.
Who did this one?
No, you gonna do that one next?
No.